channel. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. I'm excited about this one. If you know me, you know I'm a huge Quentin Tarantino fan. Kill Bill is one of my favorite movies, and it's just one of those things that had to be done. Like, I needed to do this look. I thought it was fun and a little different than ones I've seen. I thought I'd add in a little bit of Black Mamba and California Mountain Snake and make this fun look to entertain you guys. It had to be blonde, so it is. And although I'm more like Sia, I feel like you guys get the picture. Check out this look if you want to do it for Halloween, and enjoy this video. First, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills primer over my eyelid. A little goes a long way with this stuff. It is super, super potent. So you don't need a lot. Don't use too much, you'll be sad. I actually squeezed out too much. Eee! Get it all over your eyelid. I feel like I should go blonde. I'm gonna be using the C1 on this eyelid. On the bottom as well. And now on my left eye, I'll be using the D1. And this one I'm not doing like over the whole entire eyelid. Also, did you guys see my Kill Bill nails? Actually, I feel like Yolandi right now. I'm super freaky Yolandi. I should have done that as a look. Oh my God, but I guess it's not too late. We can make this happen. I could chop up this wig and make it a Yolandi look. I'm freaky, freaky. I'm gonna blend that yellow out a little bit. Now I'm gonna use my Stila eyeliner. And I'm starting like this, just drawing a line down. Just kind of messy shapes. Kind of avant-garde, if you know what I'm saying. Almost like little splatters, like art splatters. Here I'm going to give myself a liner. I'm gonna make a regular wing on this eye. Kind of dramatic. Sharp. Oh my God, I messed it up. It's fine. It'll get covered. You'll see. Now I'm going to take this Makeup Forever Flash Color Case. I'm gonna use the red out of this one. I'm freehanding it. Just fill it in and then draw it up top. Make sure it's aligned. Keep in mind when your eye is open, that's when you want it to look the best, I guess, essentially, because you'll be hopefully walking around with an open eye most of the night. And fill that baby in. Do you guys see where I'm going with this? And if you need to, start a little narrow so you can add the width to fix it so that it's even. Because if you start too wide, it'll be hard to fix it. I'm sure now you guys get where I'm going with this. With this Quentin Tarantino Kill Bill look, I'm not gonna lie, Kill Bill Volume 1 is the movie I've seen the most times out of any movie. Now on this side, also use this, and I'm gonna add a little black and a little brown to make it blood spattery. And this I'm just like freehanding, so there's really no method to the madness. You just want it to look on purpose. I kind of add the red first, and then I kind of blend in the brown and the black as I go. I'm gonna do my lips with the same colors. That thing is amazing, so you can make all kinds of makeup out of it. So like anytime I've needed any color, I can literally make any color out of it, ever. And get some eyebrows on. And now over that, I'm gonna use this E5 and the C5 and kind of give it some texture and dimension, some splats. Because let's be real, it's a Tarantino movie, so you know there's gore and splat, and with the samurai sword, it like hits hard, you know? So you need it to be like splattered out all about. And now I'm gonna add a little more of the red back on top of that to give it a little shininess. It's feeling pretty good. Now I'm gonna use the D5 and the E5 to set this side, I want a bold red, and those two colors will definitely make kind of a red with dimension. And you want to set this Makeup Forever stuff because otherwise it does tend to move. So make sure you use a primer and all that jazz. Otherwise it stays kind of wet. So once I've set it, I can clean up some of the lines around with my concealer just to make sure that this has harder lines from any of your fallout. And just do that. It's real messy, so be careful. Now you can bring more of that white in, kind of around the outside of it. Doesn't look so good when I close my eye, but let's be real, you're gonna have an open eye most of the night. I'm actually gonna clean off this bottom portion and reshape it because I don't like the way it's leaning this way. And I'm not taking the whole thing off. I'm just gonna like clean off that little corner and reshape. We all make mistakes, you know? So I'll add a little more white over it. I'm gonna fix that sucker up. I'm kind of checking when I squint my eye where my eye's going. It still, see, it like still pulls that way. At least it looks a little better. I definitely feel better about it. So don't be afraid to fix mistakes if you make them. I feel like that's the fun of the art of makeup. And now I'm gonna use my black liner again, and I'm gonna actually outline the outside of this. I feel like that'll give it dimension and kind of cut where it is. I like that. It's better. And I don't know if you guys know, but I have Kill Bill pants on. I like how I just pulled them up like, but yeah. I feel like Sia. So now I'm gonna do the same up top. This is hard to do. You definitely have to like push lightly. You don't wanna push too hard or you'll get a real thick line. So the Stila eyeliner is amazing for it. See, it's starting to come together. Ah! Oh my God. Just smudging everything around. Really? So, you know, be careful not to smudge. I ate in between this because I was hungry. Messed up everything, but you know, whatever. I don't have a jacket to match, but at least I have the pants. Can't have it all. I don't order extra things to make these Halloween looks ever. What I have is what you get. I'm not spending money to make this happen for you people. Look at my sweet pants. Even though they're down here, I had to feel like I'm doing it. I always put freaking highlighter over stuff, and then I'm gonna have to fix it. I don't know why I do that. Ugh. Annoying. Now we're doing some more blood splatter. And I'm just using my shadows here. And then I'm going back in with this. This also gives it a little bit of a wet look. Fix my lips a little bit since I ate. I'm gonna smoke them. Gonna add a little black for dimension. And we gotta add some to the neck. Because otherwise, it ain't it. There's no real method to this. I'm gonna kind of smudge it around a little. And then I'll reapply a little more. I'm gonna smudge it on my face a little too. Add a little dark. I'll be back. I'm gonna go put on some lashes. I'll be back. This Tarteist liner really works the best. It's like the most matte, so it's nice to kind of finish off with it. It's harder to paint on. That's why I use it after I use like the Stila liner, because it's not as precise as those, but it dries super matte and looks really, really good. And that's why I like it. It's also very waterproof. Like you can go on jet skis in this freaking thing. I'm just saying, I'm surprised there weren't jet skis somewhere in Kill Bill. It feels like there could have been. Could have added jet skis, Quentin. Dang it. I love jet skis. So that's that. It's looking good. I'm feeling it. I feel like if I walked in the street, people would know, oh, that's a Kill Bill look. Granted, the wig's a little off. Things are a little off, but it's just me being creative and doing my own spin on it. Lastly, I'm gonna add a little bit of the silver from this for like a blade look. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's real silver. Very silvery. Like the metal from a blade. Or a Hattori Hanzo. Yeah. Starting to be cool. Like a sword. It's not quite like a sword, but you get where I'm going with it. Alright, I feel like I like this look. This is it. As you can tell, I only did half my nails, and then I kind of stopped, and I kind of like it. I like that one hand has it and one hand doesn't. Finish this off with some Kill Bill nails. And here is my finished Kill Bill look. Bye guys, hope you like my Kill Bill look. Thanks for great movies, Quentin.